What is the role of a warehouse manager? A warehouse manager is responsible for overseeing the operations of a warehouse and ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently. Some specific responsibilities of a warehouse manager may include: Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. First, managing inventory. The warehouse manager is responsible for keeping track of goods in the warehouse and ensuring that the inventory is accurate and up to date. This may be involved receiving goods from supplier, filing orders, and tracking stock level. Number 2, managing staff. The warehouse manager is responsible for hiring, training, and supervising warehouse staff. They may also be responsible for scheduling and assigning tasks to ensure that work is completed efficiently. Number 3, maintaining equipment. The warehouse manager is responsible for ensuring that all warehouse equipment is in good working order and arranging for repair or maintenance as needed. Number 4, ensuring safety. The warehouse manager is responsible for ensuring that the warehouse is a safe place to work, including implementing safety procedures and training staff on safety protocols. Number 5, managing budgets. The warehouse manager is responsible for managing the budgets for the warehouse, including tracking expenses and identifying opportunities for cost saving. Number 6, improving processes. The warehouse manager is responsible for identifying ways to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of warehouse operations and implementing changes and systems as needed. Overall, the role of a warehouse manager is to ensure that the warehouse is run smoothly and efficiently and that all tasks are completed in a timely and accurate manner. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.